Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss how to clear all formatting applied in any document file. First of all, we have to select any text and apply all kind of formatting over it. Then go to font page and apply bold, italic and underline. These effects have been applied on the selected text. You can see here we have some space there to better understand. You can check uh, this paragraph and also check this paragraph. These two paragraphs are different from each other. So let's take an example and see that the default paragraph is uh, in Arial body, and then the formatted paragraph have different font over it applied. We applied different font and also a different kind of font size. So we applied two more things over it. We have changed font size and also font type, and we can see here the changes have been applied, and you can see the difference between the default paragraph and the formatted paragraph. So we have to remove all kind of formatting that we have applied on the first paragraph. Select your paragraph in which you want to clear all kind of formatting. After selection, you have to move on font panel. This is the font panel you can see here, and then move on the right corner. Here is clear all formatting. You can see that. You can also read the instructions about it. So we just see that uh, all kind of formatting will be removed after pressing it. So we have pressed, and you can see it is converted into a default one, Arial body and 11 in size. So you can match it with the old one or a default one. In this way you can clear all kind of formattings in a few seconds without wasting your time. It will save your time. So if you do it manually, you cannot do anything about it. So let's